Rational exponents review number 2. Number 1, we're going to start off with rewrite as an equivalent radical expression, where we have the base as m raised to the power of 5 over 8. This right here is my exponent. This is my root. Remember, this goes in, this goes out. So when I rewrite this, I have the base of m raised to the power of 5 with the root of 8. Number 2, rewrite as in a simplest equivalent radical expression. Now, we know that we have parentheses around 3w, meaning that everything has a power of 2/5. So if I go ahead and write this, this goes in, this goes out when I'm writing it into radical expression, because right now we have an exponential. We wanted to write into radical expression. So this becomes my power or my exponent. This is my root. So when I write my square root, we have the root of 5. Inside we have 3w, all raised to the power of 2. So everything's raised to the power of 2, so I have 3 squared and w to the power of 2. So 5 is my root, 3 squared, w squared. 3 squared is 9, w squared, all with the root of 5. So this is my answer. Number 3, I have rewrite as simplest equivalent radical expression. We have m has an exponent of 3/4, so 5 doesn't have an exponent of 3/4, so it's going to stay outside. Outside is the 5. Inside my radical is m, is my base. Inside is 3 as my exponent. Outside is my root 4. So this is my answer. Number 4, rewrite as an exponential expression, where I have the base of w. So here's my base. Here's my exponent. This is in. This is out, which is my root. So if I want to write it as an exponential expression, my base is w to the 5th power over 2. Number 5, I have it into radical form. I want to write into exponential. So I have inside is my exponent, outside is my root. So if I rewrite this with the base of m, I have 2 over 4. But it says simplest form, so I will know that 2/4 can be simplified to 1/2. Number 6, I have the square root of 5v to the 9th. 5 has an exponent of 1, so I have 5 to the power of 1 over 2. 1 is my exponent, 2 is my root. V to the power of 9 over 2. This is my answer. Again, I have radical form. I want to go to exponential. Number 7. This is my application part where I'm asking you to write the following expression in their simplest equivalent exponential form. Okay, so my first base is w. Inside is my exponent. So I have 4 over my root, which is 2. Then I have my next base is y, 8 over 2. If I simplify this, I get 4 divided by 2 is 2. Y to the power of 4. So this is my answer. Number 8. Okay, same thing here. Simplest equivalent exponential form. We have radical form, and I want to go to exponential. So I have 64. I want to think about what number is raised to the 6th power. So if I break this down, I know 8 and 8. 2 and 4, 4 and 2, 2 and 2. My root is 6, so I know that I need a number that repeats 6 times, which is going to be 2. X to the power of 8 over 6, because we have in, this is out. 8 over 6, my next base is y, 4 to the power of 4 over 6. If I simplify, 8 over 6 simplifies to 4/3. Y to the power of 2/3. Okay, again, all I'm doing is 8 over 6 simplifies to 4/3. Fourth root of 16, x to the 5th power, y to the 7th. All I'm going to do is rewrite in an equivalent exponential form. So I'm going to think of 16, think of what number is going to 16, 4 and 4, but I need a number that repeats 4 times. I keep breaking this up, and I get 2 repeating 4 times. So I have 2 is a group, so it comes out 2, and then my exponent is x, and x has an exponent of 5. This was in, and this was out. So my exponent over my root, and then the same with y. Y is my next base, 7 is my exponent over 4. Number 9. I need to think of what number repeats 3 times when I think of 27. I have 9 and 3, and if I keep breaking it up, I have 3 and 3. So this is 3, x has a base, or x has an exponent of 5, so this was in, this was out. 5 over 3, and again, that 5 is my exponent, 3 is my root. Y to the power of 2 over my root 3.